Right. Hopefully this will stay up. Let me bring you around. Yes, it's going to be the storm of the winter, I'm afraid. I'm heading to church. I'm a trustee over there, so if anybody comes, but I want to maybe try to get some of the snow pushed back, but I just don't know. Remember, there are going to be wind warnings, so this stuff is going to go everywhere. I'm going to see if I can even get out of here. I'm not sure what you can see. Nobody coming. I haven't heard a truck go by. Let me see if I can get the frost off, defrost. Don't go out unless you really need to, or you just want to go to church. That's fine. I'm about 15 miles an hour. I don't have far to go. About a mile and a half. I have not looked at the forecast. This is going to go on for quite a while. I know it's changed since my last broadcast. And we're starting to get drifting here. I'd say the snow's at least 5 or 6 inches deep here. I'm not sure if anybody's going to show up. Originally, I think a couple days ago when I posted, they were talking for like 1.5 inches. Well, that's obviously going by the wayside. I'll plan to follow up with you when I find out what's going on over here. As you can see, the snow's going inside, coming in sideways, so it's quite a bit of wind. They're talking about 40 mile an hour, 30 to 40 mile an hour. So the morning is not going to bring a pleasant commute if you absolutely have to. So we had all that rain. I do not know. I was going to go out last night and see if it had... yeah, this is going to be a huge ice base back there. I can see that's just a huge frozen bunch of water on the road. I don't know whether, like I said, I was getting ready to say that, I don't know whether the ground ever thawed out or not. I didn't even go out last night to look. All right, so I'll follow up with you in a little while. Heck of a time seeing the screen, of course. So, I'll keep you posted.